Please welcome to another vlog. So guys, this is a week in my life. It's been so long I made a week in my life vlog, and I decided to bring back that video because I want to record this week and show you guys what I'm up to this week. So come along with me, enjoy the vlog. If you've not subscribed, please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification, give this video a not thumbs down, thumbs up, and leave me a constructive comment and enjoy the vlog.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
Constantly tell the girl, say make the girl come social media, come live. Say no, they date more. Say they are just friends. I will not give you my love. Allow me. This is my way of training my own picking. I will not give you. Next time. Continue to throw your tantrums. Throw tantrums. Throw more. Throw more light. Guys, it's because of cake that Prosper is crying. I gave him the cake. He insisted he wanted it in the nylon. See this one. I said, okay, let me get this other nylon and divide it, put his own inside here, then put my own here. Now I said, I go bring nylon, come back with my people. Prosper is now throwing tantrum, running the whole house, crying, shouting. And I told myself that I will not give him this cake. See, he's smelling this small. I will finish it to the last tip. He will not have it. So next time, he will learn how to be patient and control his long throat and his anger as regards food. Yum. So this is parental training. This is parental training 101. Once they start throwing tantrums, do not give them that which they ask for until they calm down. Rubbish. Are you calm? Are you calm now? So guys, he's actually calm now, so he can have this little one. This tiny teeny weeny bit, overtake. Say thank you. Say thank you. Can I have my cake? Say thank you. Say thank you. Say thank you. Guys, children can be so ungrateful. They are the most ungrateful people I've seen on planet Earth. So ungrateful. So guys, you must have seen clips of me in the salon making my hair. I started to make my hair after it's been so long. It's been like years. I made this center pattern. I'm bringing out hair. It's been so long. I started to bring it back. I started to bring it back and I love it. The outcome. Anybody that knows Prosper should tell you. Hey. Because what is coming is going to be very, 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 very hot. That thing where they come go hot. I will King Malos. Oh, Yoruba people say King Malos. Let me not say it. Okay. Oh. So if I'm not mind my oily face, this is actually evening. I've been pretty much busy today. So this is 6:42 and I've been doing my wifely duties. I've been in the kitchen. That's why my face is oily and sweaty. So guys, in the couple of days back, I made some granny square, solid granny square. I don't want to mix it with any color. I just want to make like a top, either a top or a cardigan jacket with this granny square, whatever it comes out to look like. I'll certainly update you guys on that. So today is Tuesday and I hope you're enjoying the vlog. Yesterday I didn't really do much thing. I'm just going to put few clips of what I did yesterday. You must have watched it before now. So this vlog I don't want to be telling too much. I want to be showing so you can see what I end up doing. So guys, if you are not following my TikTok account, go over to TikTok and follow me on TikTok. You're going to like my vibe over there. Like the vibe is on another level. This one you're seeing here, you're not trying to be professional because so many persons is watching. Not really professional. We are showing ourselves here, but when you go there, you see my vibe in another level. So my TikTok account is 𝑉youngCraft. My business name 𝑉youngCraft. You can also check the second one, that is Vicky's vlog. That's where I post my vlog, but it's not, that account is not really, it's okay, but I've posted like 4 vlogs, but in 𝑉youngCraft I've made a whole lot of videos I cannot even count. So go over to 𝑉youngCraft, you're going to watch my videos there. So let me just play this one for you guys so you see my vibe. I had to reduce the sound because I don't want copyright. I don't need any copyright. Please enjoy yourself. So if you want to watch the full video, go over to 𝑉youngCraft on TikTok. The handle is going to be on the screen. My husband is looking at me. Oh, the handle is going to be on the screen. So go over to that place and watch it. So guys, I hope you're enjoying the vlog. Today is Tuesday and I'm keeping on. So tomorrow is Wednesday and we'll see what we come up with. So stay tuned and go nowhere. I want. Guys, this is currently 6:56 on Wednesday evening, and I'm currently cooking and trying to complete my crochet project with my oily face. My face is quite oily and our nice skincare routine is going to do justice to this oily face. I've not started editing this vlog because I want to I want to get like to the middle of the vlog. Maybe like from tomorrow I'm going to start editing the vlog and we'll see how that goes. Hope you're enjoying the vlog. This is just me showing you what I'm up to. I hope you enjoy the vlog. If you've not subscribed, please do it to hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, give this video a thumbs up and leave me a constructive comment. So I got some video ideas from my last video and I'm going to be working on those video ideas very soon so that I can have content to put out for you guys. I want to say thank you to the person that sent me the video ideas. It's really in a long while when I asked for video idea, nobody will even answer me. Like you people, nobody will answer me, but the lady answered me, so I really appreciate. Where's Prosper's second school? Guys, I'm actually regretting why I made this hair. I'm actually regretting why I made it because it's not giving me what I want, and I forgot that I'm having natural hair, and natural hair can actually blend with the weave one. So that's why I'm always using band for the front, because my natural hair doesn't want to blend with it, and I don't want to continue to use heat on it like flat ironing it. That heat is not really good for the natural hair, so that's why I'm always using band for it until after 1 week I'll take it down because still is stressing me out. So I'm off to pick Prosper from the school right now. This is actually past 2. The school closes by 1, but I like to leave it till past 2 so that he'll come back when others are actually coming back, so stay tuned. Right now, you can see my top is drizzling. I thank God that there's no sun. My camera is looking nice this afternoon because the sun reduced. Go like this. Go. So guys, I'm actually enjoying my camera now. Reason being that I had to update the iOS yesterday to the latest iOS. I've not updated it for like 1 year now or 6 months. I've just been using it like that. Where is it? Prosper, you're very funny. You are pursuing an airplane to here now. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Hold on. How are you?
Fine, sir. So guys, today is Friday. And this is about after 2 or to 3.
After 3.
If I'm not mistaken. After 3 to 4. We are off to the fuel station to buy fuel. And there's no sun today. The weather is quite okay. No sun. So come along with us. So far, at this point of my life, I feel like barbing my hair. Reason being that I don't tire for the hair. First time, do what you know that to do best. Stop that! Sticking back those things from here, and he's dropping it over there. That's what he does. Stop it! actually telling you guys that I'm done with my hair, and I took a bold step of cutting it. I cut it down to this manageable heights where I can rock it in different style. And I'm loving the look, I'm loving the new look. Let me zoom in for you guys. Zoom in. See it, I'm loving the new look. And I still have more in stock for this hair. So what do you guys think? So guys, good morning. This Saturday morning, we made it Saturday. A lot has happened this week and I'm happy I was able to document everything that happened this week. And you guys check out my lovely haircut in the morning. I'm actually loving this new look and the fact that I can actually rock it and still look cute and feminine as well. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed the vlog. Please leave me a comment on what you think about my new look and the vlog entirely. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share and all of those good stuff. So I'm going to be calling it the end and I'll see you in the next one. Stay blessed. Bye.